Right, so in this first video we've got a brand new file, nothing in it. This is what you get when you create a new HTML file, empty script, empty style file, and I've called it taking input 1. Okay, you need to do that. You need to make a brand new file, and the point of this video is to use script.js, use the JavaScript file to take some kind of interaction from this page. What I mean by that is, on this page, if I have a button or fields where you can write text into and then press a button, then I need my JavaScript file to be able to kind of take the button click and take the text that I might have typed into input fields and do something with it. So we're going to start really simply, and we're just going to make a button that makes a message pop up down here in the console. Okay, so the way we do that is underneath, inside body, underneath script, we're going to make a button like this. Button type equals speech marks button. Yep. You have to tell it that the type is a button. Then we're going to type the text that we want the button to say, so let's type click me, and then we're going to close the button tag, okay, with crocodile brackets, if you call them that, and a slash, so slash button. Okay, so already I should have click me, and it won't do anything yet. Okay, there's a few steps left. We have to go to JavaScript, and we have to write a function, and that function is going to run when I click the button. So what shall I call it? Function, you've got to type that, by the way. Function, I don't know, do thing. Two empty brackets, so an empty pair of brackets and an opening curly brace. Make sure you've also got a closing curly brace, and we're going to write our function in here. Okay, so what should we make the function do? Well, you might remember that console.log is like Python print. So if I open some brackets and just say hello, then this function do thing, when it runs, will run that command, console.log hello. Okay, you need to write that. Now back over here, we've only got one other thing to do, which is to remember our function's name, do thing with a capital T I gave it, and give our button type equals button, just after type equals button, go on click equals speech marks, close the speech marks, and in the middle of the speech marks, do thing, open bracket, close bracket. Those are just regular round parentheses style brackets. So this button, when it's clicked, will run do thing. So it should run this function. And it does. I can keep clicking it, and I keep getting hello down in the console. Okay, so you need to do that. You need to make a button that runs a function in the JavaScript file.